So what is going on, everyone? I'm in the boss video here. Welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you a quick way of how to crop your images in Photoshop, and this method would probably work for any version of Photoshop. So let's begin the video. So firstly, if you have anything that you have here and maybe you want to crop in something in, for example, you want to bring in an object. Let me bring in something here that I've already set up. Okay, so you have an image here, you have it full here, but you want to crop it. But if you maybe you want to maybe place it here in the corner, if you maybe click OK and you select the layer that you want to crop, if you try like going onto the only layer that you want to crop, it does not do what you want, so we can cancel this. Also, if you maybe you might think it's about rasterizing the image, it's still the same. It's going to be the same story. It's going to, for example, if you come and still select the image that you want to crop, and then you come to the crop image, crop tool, it's still going to have the same issue. So what I would suggest is maybe cancel this. Okay, first things first, if this is still a smart object, you're going to have to convert it to a rasterized layer. Okay, when you finish rasterizing the layer, you're going to try zooming in. Let's select our layer. Okay, this is what we're working with, and we can zoom it in. Okay, okay, I can bring it in the middle here. Okay, so what we're going to use is the rectangle marquee tool. It depends. If something is circular, you're gonna have to use maybe the ellipse marquee tool, but let's go for the rectangle marquee tool. And so we're going to have to crop in with the marquee tool. Use this. Okay, you can simply click the delete button on your keyboard and you'll delete that. And let's also come here, delete, it's delete. You can do this yourself. And delete. So you have a cropped image. Very simple. You can now go ahead, you can press Ctrl D to remove the marquee tool selection. So you can size it to any part that you want, where you want to place it, and you will be done cropping your image. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section down below. I will appreciate you subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.